Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori, and in this video we are going to learn about nouns. Nouns are names for people, places, things, events, ideas, plants, and animals. Examples are, for people, we have doctor, clerk, secretary, and seller. For places, lake, market, school, and store. For things, gold, cell phone, wool, and pencil. For events, Christmas, Halloween, birthday, and Independence Day. For ideas, happiness, kindness, faith, and charity. For plants, nightshade, picture plant, rafflesia, and waling-waling. And for animals, narwhal, penguin, butterfly, and termite. We have different kinds of nouns. One of them is mass nouns. Mass nouns are nouns that refer to objects that cannot be counted. These are also called uncountable nouns. It doesn't usually have a plural form and cannot use the articles a or an. In order for us to count a mass noun, we use quantifiers like counters. The counters that we use for a mass noun depends on the situation. Also, it will be the counter that will have a plural form rather than the mass noun. And lastly, we can add numbers or articles before the counters. Examples of mass nouns and counters are kilograms of salt, bar of soap, cups of flour, truckload of sand, sack of sugar, tablespoon of rice, nugget of gold, glass of water, bag of cement, pound of meat, liter of soy sauce, and inch of rain. Count nouns. Count nouns or countable nouns are nouns that refer to objects that can be counted. These have both singular and plural forms. In its singular form, it can be preceded by a or an. To quantify count nouns, we can use collective nouns. Collective nouns are quantifiers for count nouns. Examples of it are a patrol of policemen, a string of horses, a library of books, a band of men, a colony of gulls, an outfit of clothes, a cast of actors, a brood of hens, a packet of letters, a stack of librarians, a flight of birds, a pair of shoes, a sentence of judges, a flock of turkeys, a quiver of arrows, a galaxy of beauties, a group of guinea pigs, and a range of mountains. Another kind of noun is the possessive noun. Possessive nouns are nouns that show ownership or possession. We usually only use the possessive form of a noun for living things, but there are cases wherein we use it as well for non-living things. Now, to form the possessive form of nouns, we need to observe or consider three situations. For the first one, it's for singular nouns. For singular nouns, we usually only add an apostrophe s to change it to its possessive form. For plural nouns that ends in s, we only need to add an apostrophe at the end of the noun. For plurals that does not end in s, we need to add an apostrophe s. Here are some examples of possessive nouns. The words on the left side of the dash shows us a phrase of that shows possession, while the words on the right side of the dash shows us phrases that is in possessive form. For the first set, leg of a horse, horse's leg, bag of Chris, Chris's bag, shorts of man, man's shorts. For the second set, which is about plural nouns not ending in S, journey of salmon, salmon's journey, shoes of women, women's shoes, sweater of children, children's sweater. And the last set is for plural nouns ending in S, dresses of ladies, ladies' dresses, tails of pigs, pigs' tails, fees of doctors, doctors' fees. In this video, we have learned about nouns, its definition, and some of its kinds. Try reading articles or stories and identifying the nouns that you can encounter in the stories that you've read. Until next time!